Page 63, Major and Minor Triads. I was going to include this information in the next lesson, but the next lesson has enough stuff to talk about already, so I'll do a separate lesson on this, and it'll be a shorty, but a goodie. Remember what a triad is. It's a 3-note chord. Okay, end of discussion. And generally, we're using root position. And when you're trying to figure out major and minor, go to root position first, and then go from there. So if I have this one, I want to know if it's a major minor triad. First, I'm going to put it in root position. Well, I'll put the C on the bottom. Now I'm in root position. Now I'm ready to figure it out. And I've already given a lesson on it. I already told you how to do it. We'll review. C major. It's a major triad because it has a major third, an interval of a third, 1, 2, 3, and a minor third on top. Major third, minor third together makes up a major triad. Major third, minor third. A major third, remember, is 4 half steps. Half steps, closest distance. It's like our building block, the one we can go to figure things out. Half step. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here to here, 4 half steps is a major third. Here it's 1, 2, 3. That's a minor third, 3 half steps. So I have a major third, minor third for a major triad. Works across the board on whatever, everything, whatever. Take any note. Let's take this note. I want a major triad built on that note. First, I find a major third. So I go up 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my first note. It's a major third. Now I want a minor third from here. So it's 1, 2, 3. So there. It's a major triad. You might not know what it is, but it is a major triad. The minor triads, you just flip them. The minor third is first, and the major third's on top. So back to C major here. If I go take this middle note down a half step, I get a minor third here. 1, 2, 3. And a major third here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 3 half steps and 4 half steps. It's a minor triad. Works across the board. Let's go back to this and look at this one. Well, if I take that middle note and down a half step, it's a minor triad. Because it's a 1, 2, 3, a minor third, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, a major third. That's triad. That's major and minor triads. They have a thing down there where you can review it and write them in. You just have a ball with all that. If you have any questions on it, let me know. But it's pretty straightforward. Let's look at the very bottom, the last line there on page 63. They have the FM for you. Minor, we use a little m. And for major, we use a capital M. Or nothing. If you leave it off, it's like in that first one, if it was just an F by itself, that would imply major. And that's okay. But if it's anything other than major, you have to put it in. So the little m is for minor. And what it is, the notes are here. And if you look at it, well, you already know that's a major if you take the middle down a half step. But again, that's a minor third and a major third. So it's an F minor chord. The next one is here. Listen. Well, you already know that's a major chord. So just take, it's a minor third and a major third. It's a G minor chord. This one, well again, 1, 2, 3. It's a minor third and a major third. That makes it a minor chord. So it's a D minor chord. Remember the bottom note tells you the name of the chord? D. And then the intervals tell you major, minor. D minor. Number 4 is here. You already know that's F major, I hope. And the next one is here. Well, we have a minor third, 1, 2, 3, and a major third, 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor third and a major third is a minor triad. This is a E minor. E minor. And the last one is here. Well, you already know C major and C minor. You just gradually get to where you glance them, you just know what they are. Again, if you have any questions, let me know.